You a bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to show you a new crochet hairstyle using the Afri Naptural Ripple Deep in the color 1B30. Now, as usual, I'm going to spray the hair with a little bit of water just to help ease the separation. And I'll also trim the ends of the hair as well, so that way when it comes to splitting the hair, you know, it won't be so tangled at the bottom. Now, one thing I noticed when putting this crochet in is that with the P1B30, you mostly get like the black and the 30 color. I'm not really feeling it that much because it's not, you know, mixed in with everything. And plus, when you split this hair, it's a lot harder to split than with this hair. So, and it's probably because, you know, how they did the color and everything. But, you know, I'm just starting and it's okay right now. I'm just giving you my honest opinion. Okay, now remember how I said that the black and the blonde was kind of, or 30 was kind of like, you know, separated. So what I'm doing now is I'm actually adding the blonde, most of the blonde to the top, but I'm gonna mix in with the black in the front as well because, you know, I don't want to have just too many blonde pieces and just like, you know, see my root through it as well. So that's what I've been doing, you know, just mixing like black, 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 and then putting the 30 pieces in there as well. So that way it kind of looks like, you know, it's more highlighted and more framed, you know, to the front of the face compared to just being straight black. Straight black on my hair in the front, I look kind of just hard and everything. So, I mean, the color's cool. I'm still trying to, you know, decide if I like this curl or even the hair in general so far, because when I first installed it, it's kind of hard splitting this hair compared to, you know, just really curly hair. And, you know, I'm not used to having this color in my hair as well. I should have got P430 instead of 1B30. But I'm gonna just keep working, you know, putting, like I said, the blonde, and then I'll put some black right there. It doesn't look too bad so far. I thought I wasn't gonna have enough hair because I have 4 packs, but I still have a lot of hair, and I'm only like I put like 2 packs together. So hopefully, you know, after I keep going and working and, you know, just working my little magic. Now you see how my braids are kind of thick and I have like all this space right here. Basically, if I crochet over, it's gonna have like a lot of like just black area right here. So one way to basically not show that hair, actually I'm gonna do 2 rows on this braid. So most of the hair is gonna go on this side to cover this black hair, and then I'm gonna do invisible part right here, so that way, you know, when it's parted in the middle, which it will be most of the time, it won't show, you know, the braids. So as stated, I'm gonna crochet. You can see, I can see with my glasses also, just on this black part. And I'll probably go through the braid also a little bit. Take the hair and just crochet it. Now you can see how I'm like getting underneath that black part, and then I'll just finish by crocheting on top of that braid. Alright, so the way to do the invisible parts so you won't see these knots, that's basically, you know, what the invisible part is. You just crochet, you can see in the mirror, like a normal braid. If you can see this as good as I can. Okay, now you see how I have the regular hair. Instead of looping the whole thing, you're going to take a piece of the hair, so like one of the sections, let me get down a little bit lower, and basically knot that 3 times, loop that 3 times like a regular crochet. Now you're left with this other piece over here. So after I loop it, just make it tight and bring that on over. And that's going to basically create a seamless look when it comes to having that part in the middle of your head instead of seeing those knots. Once again, grab the hair, pull it through. You see how it's two? You see where it's splitting like that? Just take one of those pieces and loop it 3 times like any other crochet hair. Grab this other piece, pull it through, and bring it on over. And as you can see, you can't really see the knots compared to like these right here where you can see all the knots. And see how that is? It's a lot more seamless, so you want to see those knots and everything. Just keeps it like, you know, more uniform, looks a lot nicer. Alright, so the hair is all done. As you can see, I done moved it to the side that I had from my invisible part because I wasn't, try it again. I wasn't really feeling the middle part. I'm gonna show you the middle part actually. That's the middle part. Makes it like a huge head, which I don't really like. So we're gonna flip it to that side. Now let me go ahead and get to some trimming because it's a lot of hair. You know how I felt. This hair is, I mean, it's not that bad. It's actually coming together. The more I cut it, it's actually starting to come together, so. Alright, so this is the finished product of the hair. I don't know if I like it all the way just yet. I mean, maybe, ooh, okay. This little hump thing kind of did something right there. Maybe once I wear it more and I become like, you know, becomes more wore in, it might be a little bit better, but you know, I like to have my hair pretty poofy on the sides and everything, because right now it's a little flat, and I really don't want to move it to the other side because it didn't look too cute. So my whole invisible part thing that I had in the middle, I was like, you know what, forget it. I like it to the side more. So I mean, you can see the knots, but it's not as bad. Honestly, I think it's a lot cuter. As you can tell, I did cut a little bit of layer. I got some short pieces. I'll probably go in later and cut some more right here, but I'll most likely just have it back to the side. I don't know. I don't know if I like this hair that much. Maybe it's the color, because I'm not really, you know, a black 1B type person. So I don't know. It does remind me of Free Trust Deep Twist. Once again, this was the Afri Naptural Ripple Deep. Honestly, it's kind of similar to Free Trust Deep Twist, really. But if I did, will I try this hair again? Probably not, because I don't really like it that much. Maybe I might try it in a different color, probably. Maybe P430, or maybe even like a red color might be better, because I love my red hair. But this 1B30, you know, it's alright. So if you like this hair, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, give me a comment, tell me what your thoughts of this hair is. I'm trying to get 2,000 subscribers so I can do my first giveaway of my favorite crochet hair. So give me, you know, 2,000 subscribers, y'all, so I can get my first giveaway to y'all. Alright, so I will see y'all in my next video, and bye guys. Oh.